What's up all you Instacart shoppers out there? 𝗚𝗏𝗧 back again with our Instacart how-to video, and today I'm going to show you how to Instacart in the rain. I live in Florida. It rains like every afternoon like this, especially in the summer, and you just want to be ready for it. So I showed you some of the stuff in my other videos just to reiterate. Get yourself a good raincoat, not a poncho. You want something with actual sleeves, pockets, and a hood. Plus you can wear a hat, which is a good idea when it's raining. And when it is raining, no matter how hot it is, in fact it's actually like probably 88 degrees right now, very, very humid, still gonna wear long pants. And on top of that, I'm gonna wear boots too, because it's just gonna rain all day, there's gonna get puddles everywhere. Not a good day for sneakers. Although I am gonna bring my sneakers in a bag in case it lets up later, because these are obviously much more comfortable to wear around all day. So that's pretty much it as far as preparedness. So let's go shopping and I'll show you what we need to do out there. By the way, I should mention, on a rainy day you should bring a towel with you of some sort. I'm just bringing a hand towel, but you might want to bring a beach towel or a bath towel just in case you get absolutely drenched. But if you got the raincoat and boots and everything, you should be good. Also, I keep a drying towel in the car for when, you know, if I have to open the window to, you know, type of gate code pass in or whatever, like it just gets all wet right here. So yeah, might want to keep a drying towel in the car too. All right, I'm here at the store. Rain's let up a little, so I'm just gonna grab a few bags and put them in the cart. I'm gonna grab about four or five of the Ozark Trail bags. Now what's nice about these bags is because they're meant to have, you know, ice melt in here and get water, is that they're waterproof, whereas the Instacart green bags are not. So if these get wet on the outside, they'll get wet on the inside, but if these get wet on the outside, they should be fine on the inside. You can see they got a case of water and a detergent, so I'm not going to bag those, that's fine. But everything else I fit into a few plastic bags, so I'm just going to throw those in here. Alright, so I'm at Publix. As you can probably tell, it's still raining out. Not super hard, but hard enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring some bags into the store with me, and this person only has 18 items, so I got about 4 or 5 bags underneath the cart there. There's definitely more than enough room to put all their stuff in the cart, and I'll have my bags ready to go so that when I'm inside the store, I can throw their bags into the insulated bags and then throw them into my trunk without the customers' bags getting wet. So let's go shop this order. Let's ask the customer service if I could stash my cart over there while I do the shopping. They said no problem, so that really helps. Alright, I just checked out. I only needed 3 bags, so I got the rest in there. And let's see, it's still raining. It's pouring out, but I already got my bags. They'll stay nice and dry until I get to the customer. And I just gotta go in this rain. If you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my other videos about Instacart and the gig economy platforms. Subscribe and click the bell icon. You know the drill by now. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye.